Hello everyone, I am Twinkle Sharma helping you to crack Microsoft certifications. So today we are covering the topic Core Azure Services of Azure 900, which is a Microsoft fundamental certification. So what does Azure offer? Azure, Microsoft Cloud Computing Platform, offers a wide range of services across infrastructure, platforms, and software. Here's high level overview of what Azure offers. Compute services, which is virtual machines, app services, Azure Kubernetes services, which is also known as AKS, and functions. So what is a virtual machines? Run Windows or Linux on virtual machine in the cloud, right? Which is the compute service. And app service host web apps, REST APIs, and mobile backends. The Kubernetes service of Azure manage containerized application using Kubernetes. Functions run small pieces of code, serverless computing without managing infrastructure. Then we have the other service storage, which is has many parts such as blob storage, file storage, queue, and table storage. We can also say that the blob storage store unstructured data like images and video. File storage fully managed file shares in the cloud, whereas the queue and table storage message queuing and no SQL key value data store. Then we have the other service of Azure, which is networking, virtual network, VNet, private networks in the cloud. Then we have the load balancer and application gateway, distribute traffic and protect our web applications. Then we have the VPN gateway, secure connections between on premises and the Azure. Then we have the service security and identity, the Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, identity and access management SSO MFA, which is a multi-factor authentication. Okay, then we have keyword securely store secrets, certificates, and keys. Then we have the Defender for Cloud, which is the threat protection for workloads. Then we have the service databases, Azure SQL database, fully managed relational database, Cosmos database, globally distributed NoSQL database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, managed open source databases, where we have the another services which is the AI and machine learning. Azure machine learning build, train and deploy machine learning models. Cognitive services pre-built APIs for vision, speech, language and decision making. Then we have the topic analytics, which is given the services by the Azure. Azure Synapses Analytics, data integration, big data and data warehousing. HD Insight, Apache, Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka services. Data Factory ETL extract transfer load for data movement. Developers tool Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, Git repos boards, Virtual Studio integration, direct cloud deployment and debugging. GitHub Actions build and deploy with GitHub Waterflows. IoT Hub connect, monitor and manage IoT devices. Azure Digital Twins model real world environments digitally. Then we have the service migration and hybrid. Azure Arc extend Azure to on premises, multi cloud, and edge, where we can migrate the services. Then we have the Azure Migrate tools to assess and move workloads to Azure. Then we have the topic tour of Azure portal, which we will cover in our next video. Thank you for today. Bye bye. If you have any query, let me know in the comment.